Hi, I'm Heather Obel, and I'm excited to help present an overview of our new product introduction solution built on our next generation flagship platform, Evolve, and how it can help you accelerate your product launch processes. We often refer to this solution as our MPI solution. And after a little context, I'll be passing things over to my colleague, Jennifer Huang, who will be showing you the solution in action. So what do we mean by MPI? We're referring to a process of all the data collection required to actually launch your product. This usually involves your ERP system, and specifically we'll be talking about SAP, and all the data needed before you are able to start transacting business for that new product. This process usually follows R&D effort and then goes into full gear once a go decision has been made to actually take the idea or concept to market. And we've seen many companies struggle to get through this process to keep up in today's dynamic and ever-changing market. It takes weeks or often months, and the process needs more improvement than just speed. It usually involves many people across several departments and is often manual or has manual aspects. So it doesn't scale, data quality is poor, and it's hard to have any real visibility around the process when things are buried in emails. So we're here to show you there is a better way with Winshuttle's MPI solution, and we've helped many companies improve their cycle times by 50% or more.